Hi, this is James Bosto with Get Lifted Auto Garage, your do-it-yourself garage in South Florida. Today we're going to be going over a remote that's not working in your Chevy. We're going to be using a 2008 Silverado truck as our example. So here we are at our 2008 Chevy Silverado. Here's our key remote that you guys have, and pressing the remote, nothing happens to unlock or lock the vehicle. So you put the key in the on position. With the key in the on position, use this information button and push it until you get to the menu item that says press check to relearn the remote key. When you go to press the check, it doesn't do anything. It just goes back. So this is an indication that there's an electrical issue with the control module or the wiring. Now we're going to check the control module. So the control module in this truck lives in the back seat in this pillar area here. We removed this. You remove this trim here by pulling it, and then you can get this trim pushed forward. There's a screw in the top up here. You take this little piece out and unscrew that screw. Then the top will unclip, and it will give you enough access to get to where the control module is. So this here is the control module. You can see it here. If you take it out, you push these two tabs in with a screwdriver and it'll pop out. And this is the control module. So this one I've already labeled as faulty, as you can see, because I've already determined that this control module is bad, and this is causing our issue with the remote not working. These are the electrical connectors. This is the electrical connector for the control module, and this is the antenna wire. The antenna wire goes back here behind the rear seat, and it travels along the rear bottom of the trim back here under the rear window. You can check power and ground here to make sure that you're getting power and ground to the control module before you condemn it as being bad. So the red wire here is your power, the black wire is your ground. Probe the connector here to see, you should have 12 volts all the time there. For curiosity, I opened up the control module to see if it was actually bad. You have these 4 tabs, 2 on each side. With a little screwdriver like this, you can pop them out. I don't know if you can tell, but right here, these two got shorted out. I don't know, maybe it got wet at some point, or a little humidity, or too much humidity or something. Window was left open, who knows what, but those two there are shorted out and caused the little control module not to work. Okay, so here we have the new control module. I got it from the local Chevy dealer. We're gonna install it now and see if it works. Okay, so the new control module is installed. You can see it there. The antenna is plugged in, and so is the power connector. This control module is pretty much plug and play. So now we're gonna learn the remote. Hit your information button until you get to the key learn remote. Press the check mark, then you will get the remote key learning active. Then once you get that message, you press and hold both the unlock and lock together, you'll hear a small beep. You let that go. All right, now the key is working. That's pretty much it. So if you have another key, just follow the same procedure to learn your other keys. And hopefully you can come visit us if you have a DIY project and you're in South Florida. Get Lifted Auto Garage.